I'm going to show how to assemble and season the Blackstone 17-inch tabletop griddle. Unpack the contents of the box and remove the owner's manual. I will be using the instructions in this manual for assembly and seasoning. The following is the parts list you will find in the manual and the necessary items that aren't included. Remove the packaging and turn the griddle top over. Peel away the label and set aside. Next, take off the protective plastic from the griddle body and remove the cardboard package from within. This package contains flange nuts, feet, regulator, and grease cup as seen in the parts list. Unpackage the feet and its hardware and set aside. Then place the griddle body upside down and note the 4 mounting holes that will receive the feet. Select a foot and remove the flange nut. Insert the foot in one of the holes and secure into place using the provided flange nut in this manner. Thread on with your fingers and then use an adjustable wrench to tighten. Repeat this process with the rest of the feet. After the nuts have been secured, turn the griddle body back over. Next, it's recommended to ensure that the fuel nozzle is housed within the burner opening. Here's what it should look like. Now turn the griddle back over where it's sitting on its legs. Check the ignition needle, making sure it is positioned 3 to 7 millimeters above the burner tube. Next, install the griddle top onto the griddle body. Note the 4 pegs on the bottom. These pegs will be seated into the holes shown here on the griddle body. Now, the gas regulator can be installed on the gas line. This line is located on the right front corner of the griddle body. Remove the protective cap with your fingers and plug the regulator in as seen here. Secure by threading the collar of the gas regulator clockwise onto the line. Next, screw on the propane bottle onto the gas regulator, turning the tank clockwise. Continue turning until it's snug. Pivot the tank down until it sets on the tabletop, and then hand tighten the collar until snug. Finally, install the grease cup on the back of the griddle top by hanging it in this manner. The griddle top can now be seasoned. I am using the Blackstone Griddle seasoning and cast iron conditioner. I will be following the directions on the label. You will need a pair of tongs and a paper towel. Fold the paper towel in this manner and grasp it with the tongs. This will be used to apply the seasoning to the griddle top. Begin by cleaning the top using a small amount of soapy water. Scrub the top well using a soft rag. Then, rinse and dry using a clean cloth. Next, set your griddle to high heat until your griddle top changes color. This could take up to 10 minutes to achieve this level of heat. Note the discoloration of the griddle top. Now take the seasoning and scoop out about 1 tablespoon using the tongs. Add the seasoning to the hot griddle and allow it to melt. Using the tongs and a folded paper towel, spread the seasoning across the griddle surface. Use a thin and even layer of seasoning on the whole surface, including the sides. Allow the seasoning to smoke and burn off. This will take about 10 minutes. Once the smoking has stopped, reapply the seasoning using the same process. You will want to repeat this 3 or 4 times for proper seasoning. Finally, after the final coat has been burned off, turn the heat off and allow the griddle to cool. The griddle is now ready to use.